Every time is temporary. Don't stress. People may hear your words, but they feel your attitude. I surround myself with positive, productive people of goodwill and decency. You may find the roast, enemy, or best friend in yourself. I am taking all the negatives in my life and turning them into a positive. Life becomes easier and more beautiful when we can see the good in other people. Sit back, relax. Now put all the negativity in the trash. If I am going to decide my feeling, then why don't I just decide to be happy? Today, this world tells you, one day it will listen to you. The key to life when things get tough is to just keep moving, just keep moving. To a brave man, good and bad luck are like his left and right hand. He uses both. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweet determination and hard work. When you can't find the sunshine, be the sunshine. No one is perfect, that's why pencils have erasers. Tired, but I have goals. Change the plan, never the goal. Remind yourself that you cannot fail at being yourself. In order to carry a positive action, we must develop here a positive vision. Problems are not stop signs, they are guidelines. How to be happy? Decide every morning that you are in good mood. Pessimism leads to weakness, optimism to power.